All right, so as we've seen, there are different types of compatibility that we can do, and we're gonna define how we can set it. So we can do like definition set compatibility, and we can pass the level, which will be a string. So which will be one of the like backward, forward, full, transitive, things like this. That you can find all of the available options in the documentation. And we're returning a boolean like true on success, false on error. Okay, so the subject string here, and returns a boolean. Okay, so we're gonna try to do a capitalization here. Now, if we get a subject, we can start looking into the possibility. We can do the set compatibility based on the level and the subject name equal to the subject, and we can log that. We can say set compatibility for a subject, and we can say equals to a level. Okay, otherwise, if we don't have subject, let's set globally. If we're not doing for a specific subject. So we're doing, okay, we're setting global compatibility to be level. Okay, then we return true because that worked. But if that doesn't work, except schema registry error, let's log that. Failed to set compatibility, and we do false. Good. So basically get us a subject in the level we want to set. So here we have some available information for the level. We can do like backwards, forward. Actually, it'll be backward, forward, backward, transitive, etc. All right. So we can also, after something is set, we can get the compatibility setting. So let's go ahead and create a get compatibility. We need a subject, which will be optional, otherwise we'll get the global. And we'll return an optional string as well. So here we're expecting the subject, which will be the subject name to inspect. If we don't get anything, return it what is the global default. And it's just going to return the compatibility level string or none or an error. Okay, so again, if subject, if we get something from subject, we can get the level, and we can call get compatibility and just send the subject name. And we can log that, subject, and then compatibility equals to level, and return level. All right. Now, then we can get the level if we don't have it, right? And we can log it if we don't have the subject, global compatibility equals to level, and return level again. Exception let's log it. failed to get compatibility, error, return now. Okay, we're almost there. We have probably 2 or 3 more left that I want to go over, so let's continue on the next one.